Welcome to the in front of me Samsung Galaxy M31s, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device with Ampere application. So first you should go into the Play Store and here enter the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app here. Click yes, I agree, pick close, here click to OK, and as you can see here we got the section with the temperature of our device battery, that's 28 and 3 degrees. Also got here another information about our battery level, health, capacity, and more other information like the Android version and device model. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.